Clark, thanks for tuning in. It's an update we first told you about with a push alert on the ABC 11 mobile app. On its current track, Nate could make its way to North Carolina. Let's go straight to meteorologist Don Schwinnaker. Don, what sort of impact are we talking about?
At this point, John and Barbara, good afternoon. It looks like it'll be fairly minimal around here. We will see some shower activity out of it. That looks like just about it. First, let's show you Nate churning down in the southern Gulf. You can see there's El Salvador, Panama, Costa Rica, Yucatan Peninsula is up here. The actual center of the circulation is right there. I don't know if you can see it. Watch it kind of spin in on itself right there. So it's not very well organized at this time. We look at the latest update from the National Hurricane Center. Maximum sustained winds have held over the past 3 hours at 40 miles an hour. Gusts go into 50, northwest at 9. It works through Nicaragua, and then it'll work up into the southern Caribbean, and then it goes into the Gulf of Mexico. It does strengthen by Saturday morning, possibly up to a Category 1 hurricane. Now, all of the models are kind of taking it a little further to the west, which means landfall somewhere around Louisiana to the western tip of Florida Sunday morning at 8 a.m. and then it moves up the Appalachians, and as it works through here, that westerly track takes the heaviest rain away from us. In the mountains out around Boone, they could see a couple of inches. Around here, we could see a ½ inch to 1.5 inches. Here's the spaghetti model. Notice all of the models now keeping it well west of Raleigh. As a matter of fact, none of them bringing across Raleigh, and they have tended to trend to the west over the past 24 hours. Now, we're going to be keeping an eye on this, of course, over the next several days. We'll talk more about it. Plus, before this gets here with the rain, we've got some warm temperatures for this time of year. We'll tell you about that in the complete forecast coming up. John and Barbara.
Don, thank you.